How to make money with Canva templates. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to be showing you how you can make money with Canva templates. So let's get started. Today we'll see how you can actually create a Canva template and then sell that Canva template as a digital product on Etsy.com. I will show you from start to the end that how you can actually create your own templates. And by templates, I mean you can create social media templates, you can create planners, you can create logos and or video templates, intro templates, presentation template, whatever you want to with Canva.com, and then you can sell it as a digital product on any of the digital product websites. I will be using Etsy.com today. So what you have to do is you will simply go to Canva.com. Canva is an amazing designing tool that allows you to create your own templates, presentations, logos, posters, edit videos, and much more. Today we will create our own template that we can create on Canva for free. I will be using the free version. You can also sign up for Canva for free. Signing up process is really easy. You simply sign up with your Google account or you can sign up with your email address. I have signed up for free and this is where we land. So today I'm gonna first go ahead and go to the digital product platform. I'm using Etsy.com. Etsy is an amazing marketplace where we can not only sell digital product but physical product as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and search for a digital product that I will be creating on Canva, a template. So I was thinking about social media templates. So let's go ahead and search for social media templates. So we have social media templates right here, and you can see right here the first thing that I want to show you is that how much we can make with the template. So you can see right here this one is being sold for $78. Then we have this one is $57. Then we have $16. If it's a single one, it is being sold for $15, and then we have $35, we have $6, $7. So you can actually sell a single template for $6 to $7. That's amazing because you're investing zero, and we will be creating a template on Canva for free. So we know what we need to create. So what I will do now is simply go to Canva.com. So on Canva, I will simply go right here, search your content on Canva, what you want to design. So we can go with different options right here. I am going with Instagram post. That's the kind of template I want to go for. I will be creating a social media post template on Canva and we will start from the scratch. So you can see right here, I have my own blank canvas right here. So we have a lot of different templates to choose from, like the templates that are already created on Canva. So if you are a complete beginner and if you are not that good in designing, then you can also use a template to customize and create your own template for people, and you can also create your own Instagram post right here. So what I will do now is I'm gonna start from the scratch, but I will actually get an idea of these different posts, so I will have a better idea. Now for the background, I'm gonna go with a peach color, and then we're gonna actually have our own theme. So I'm gonna select the colors, simply click right here, and then select click right here on the colors, and now this is the color panel. I'm gonna go with this color right here. There you go. So this color looks good. I'm gonna select this color. Now I will simply go to elements. In elements we get a lot of different options on Canva. Elements simply mean I can add videos, I can add pictures, I can go ahead and add graphics, tables, whatever I want to, frames, things we can add as a element to our post that we are creating. So you will see this crown right here, which is for pro. So that means you actually have to pay for these elements, but we're gonna work with the free version and we're gonna work with the free things that we get. We actually get a lot of different things for free. So now what I am going to do is I'm gonna go ahead and add a box for the image or the post that people are going to be adding. So I'm gonna click on the box and then I'm gonna make it bigger, and I'm gonna put it right here, and then I'm gonna change the color to white because I want it to be white. There you go. So this is going to be the image option. Then I'm gonna select a graphic for my template. So I'm gonna go with this one right here. There you go. And I'm gonna make it bigger and I'm gonna place it right here. There you go. So if you want to change the color, I can simply go ahead and do that as well. So I'm gonna actually go ahead and change the color for my leaf right here. So now it's like orange, and I can actually make it a bit darker. There you go. And the lines, I don't want the lines to be pink. We can go with the black lines, or we can go with pink, this color or this color as well. Okay, I think pink looks cute. So now this is what it looks like. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add few of the more elements to my template that I am creating right here. So I'm gonna scroll down. So this one actually looks pretty cool, so I'm gonna select this one and we're gonna make it bigger. Okay, that's too much, so I'm gonna actually go ahead and delete this element. Let's select this one. Now I'm gonna bring forward. Then I have selected this table right here, and I'm gonna actually go ahead and make it bigger, and I'm gonna place it right here in the background, and I'll actually send it backwards. So I'm gonna go ahead, and so I have added that table in the background as well, and that looks pretty good. So now I think I'm not gonna do too much, so it will look it will be too much. So I'm gonna keep this like this. Now we have this very cute and very decent template of our own for an image on a social media. It can be any social media post. So now what I need to do is I will simply go ahead and download this product that I have created right here. So now we can actually go with PNG, or we can go with JPG, PDF, MP4, or GIF style as well. So you simply download the product that you have created right here, or you can actually get a link to share. That's what we need to do when we are selling a digital product, because it is going to be a template which is going to be editable. So you can also share from here, so that people can open it up in their Canva and then customize the way they want to. So now you have created the product on Canva. The next thing you need to do is simply go to your Etsy or any other platform and list your product as a digital product. For example, if I want to go ahead and add this product, I will simply go to my Etsy shop manager and I will create a new listing of a product. For instance, I have opened up my Etsy, and now what I have to do is I will simply click on add a new listing, and then I will list my product that I have created. It is going to be a digital product, and I will be selling it digitally. So this way you can also add any of your digital product to your Etsy and sell it online. So what you do is you simply add it right here, add the photo for your image, and then you will simply add the listing details. You will add the name. For example, I created a social media post template, so I will add the details right here, and then I will simply add the price right here. I can actually sell this one for $7. It was just a one picture and I created it for free. I can sell it for $7. If you create a bundle, then you can actually sell it to up to the $50 and $60 as well. So then simply create a listing on any of the digital product a platform and sell your Canva templates to make money. When it comes to Canva templates, you can create digital planners, logos, social media posts, and wedding cards, wedding invitations, announcement templates, and much more. Canva allows you to create very awesome professional templates of your own to sell, and then you can simply sell them to make money. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to make money with Canva templates. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.